In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up alerts using the RSI indicator on TradingView. Let's dive right into this step-by-step guide to help you make the most of your trading strategy. First, you need to open a chart. Begin by navigating to the instrument you're interested in, whether it's a stock, a cryptocurrency, or any other asset. Once you've found your desired instrument, go ahead and open its chart on TradingView. This will be your primary workspace as we proceed to set up the alert. Next, let's add the RSI indicator to your chart. At the top of your chart, you'll find an icon labeled Indicators. Click on this icon, then search for RSI, which stands for Relative Strength Index. This indicator is popular for identifying potential oversold and overbought conditions. Once located, go ahead and add RSI to your chart, ensuring you can see it clearly for the following steps. Now turn your attention to the top toolbar of the chart. Look for the alert icon, which might look like an alarm bell or a speech bubble, depending on the interface version you're using. Clicking this icon will open the alert creation window, your gateway to setting up a timely notification system. With the alert window open, you'll want to create a new alert. From the provided options, select Add Alert. This action will lead you to define the specific condition under which your alert should trigger. In the Alert Setup screen, concentrate first on defining the conditions. You'll want to start by selecting the RSI indicator from the available drop-down options. Once chosen, decide on the trigger condition. You might, for example, opt for crossing up if you're looking to catch a rising trend or crossing down for a declining one. Carefully determine which trigger action aligns best with your trading goals. Next, you need to set the alert level. This involves entering the specific RSI value at which you want the alert to activate. Common values include 30, which signals an oversold condition, or 70 for an overbought scenario. Tailor this to fit your trading strategy and preference. While setting up your alert, it's a good idea to explore the customization settings, though this step is optional. You can configure the frequency of the alert, specify a name for easier identification, and choose how you'd like to be notified, perhaps through email or via the TradingView app. These options give you added control and convenience. Finally, to activate your alert, confirm and save your settings by clicking the appropriate Save button. Once saved, your alert will monitor the chart, notifying you whenever the conditions you've set are met. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're now ready to efficiently utilize RSI alerts within TradingView to aid in your trading decisions. Happy trading, and remember to keep tweaking your settings to better align with your evolving strategies.